Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to check or track the amount of calories burned on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the watch face. And now you can swipe up or down on the current watch face to open the list of glances. Scroll through this list and look for the calories glance. If you don't see the calories glance, scroll down, tap on edit button, and here scroll down, tap on the plus button, and from the list right here find the calories and tap on it to add it. And now we can swipe right on the screen to go back, and now when you scroll through the list of glances you will see the calories glance, and we can see the progression. We can also tap on this glance to see more detailed information. We have the basically statistics for the day and the week. You can also check the stats on the phone app, or rather in the phone app, if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move this aside, bring the phone, zoom out the camera like this, and on the phone that is paired with our watch we can open the Garmin Connect, and here on the My Day page you will see the calories category or widget, as you can call it, and you can see the stats. You can also tap on it to see more detailed stats, and we have basically daily stats, and you can see how much calories you burned through the days. And once you're done you can close the app, and that's how you check the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.